Alright guys, so this is headlight bulb replacement on a Dodge Dart 2016. So we just replaced the left headlight in the driver's side. We're doing the right headlight in the passenger side so that both are the exact same. I wanted to try to make one video of it, hopefully all in one. This is the access point underneath the fender. I jacked up the car so that it's just a little bit higher for me to access it. Pull out this little pin here, little push area, pull it out. Inside there, on the left hand right here, is the headlight cover. You're going to go ahead and turn that left. That pops right out. You're going to go ahead and reach your arm in there. You'll feel the headlight bulb. You're going to go ahead and turn that left also. And then just wiggle it out of there. Boom, just like that. Now, if you were to go to a shop, they would charge you a lot more. The headlights I bought were expensive. They were $50, but you get 2 of them. So therefore, it's not that expensive. You're going to go ahead and pop this little clip right here. Just like that. Boom. Done. Let me get the new headlight. Today, these are the headlights that we are using for this vehicle. It's supposed to give you the brightest color, the longest distance, and even night vision, so maybe better brightness longer down the road. So we'll see. Just like that, clip it in, go ahead and feed it back in there and put it in the headlight hole. And then once you get it aligned, trying to get these wires realigned here because they're in the way. There you go. Alright, so once you get it in line, go ahead and turn it right. Okay, they're all not sitting in here right. Why? There. Alright, there you go. Sorry that took longer than I thought it was going to. Once you get it in place, go ahead and just tug on it a little bit to make sure that it's in there. It's not going to pop out. Now we're going to put the cover back's fine. Well, once you get that aligned, go ahead and turn it right. Go ahead and give that a little tug, make sure it's not going to come out. Go ahead and make sure you get these little tabs in here on the back side and clip it in. All done. Headlights replaced under 10 minutes. Oh, I lied. Psyche. Let's get that in there and try that one more. No, it's not supposed to be like that. There. I guess it is supposed to be like that. Alright, there you go. Under 10 minutes.